Hello everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a easy ramen Chinese chicken salad. This is so yummy and it's so easy to make, so let's get started. I'm going to start off by roasting the toppings. I have sliced almonds that I'll be using in the ramen, of course. I'm going to use about maybe 1/4 cup of almonds. I didn't measure, so as much as your likings. And then I'll be using just any kind of ramen that's in the package. The flavor doesn't matter because we won't be using the flavoring, so we're going to disregard that. Just break up your ramen into chunks. And then at 350 degrees for 10 minutes in the oven, or just until brown. While I have my toppings toasting in the oven, I'm gonna get started by prepping my lettuce. I already washed my lettuce and I'm just gonna chop it up very finely. I'm using romaine lettuce. You could use whatever lettuce you prefer, or you could just use some cabbage, or do a mixture of both. So I'm thinly slicing the lettuce and I'm gonna put it in my salad bowl. Alright, my toppings are already done. I'm gonna go ahead and carefully add them on top of my salad. Trying to be careful because the dish is still hot. I have 2 cuties mandarin oranges that I'm just going to place on top, and about 1/4 cup of shredded chicken. I'm just going to give it a little mix. Now it's time to plate the salad. You could use it as a main dish, or you could use it as a side dish for your meal. This is very fulfilling and good. I'll be using a dressing, sesame dressing that I got at Costco. You could use whatever dressing you prefer. Very quick and easy. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for taking the time to do so. I hope you enjoy this quick recipe. Have a good day, everyone.